Hey, how you doing? Okay, Revit Window Sills. We're going to talk about Revit Window Sills, okay? Uh, Inbuilt, separate. What do you think yourself? Are you happy with your Revit Window Sill? Let's go have a look at it. Right. If you look here, the sill family is in fact a wall-based generic model family, and it's separate to the window, okay? I've been doing that for a little while now, and it's working out better. I just keep encountering too many problems where I have the sill integrated into the window family, too many scenarios where it doesn't work right, doesn't and I believe me, I've put on all sorts of parameters to control the way the stuff behaves, but I keep finding another scenario where it doesn't do what I wanted to do for phasing reasons or for whatever. Okay, so this guy, as you can see in section over here, it's sitting in the wall where I want it to, so I can give the offset from the face of the wall. I can set that parameter, and I can set the overlap on the width as well. Uh, And the other thing is, if you look in the 3D, okay, I zoom in. What you can't do, no matter what you do in a window family, if you try to put the sill in, you can't get the sill to join to the wall. So watch this, magic. Select the sill, select the wall, kaboom! Brilliant, fantastic. Right, as I said, I'm using different profiles as well. So again, I'll use an actual sill. So if I just go up here to the first floor, put a different profile, sorry, different sill on the window. So you could do that too. You're not limited to having one sill type within a window family, let's say, or family type. Uh, Let me just show you actually where I'm getting those. Give these guys a plug. Killashal, KPC Windows, SI Sales. If I scroll down, the big one at ground floor. Don't you know what the first floor one that I showed you there was a type C. That guy there. So got the dimensions, and the bigger one upstairs was a type K. That guy there, right? So you could model all the sill types from a manufacturer and then use them in your projects as you see fit. You might be happier with your Revit sill then. So, what do you reckon? Let me know in the comments, will you? Are you already doing this? Maybe I don't know, or does this maybe present a possible solution? Might this make your window sills better? Uh, yeah, look, if there's interest, if we get a few people putting in a request, I'll make the sales and show you how to do it. I just thought maybe I'd get the idea across and get some feedback. Reasons not to do it, maybe? Let me know. Please like the video, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, see you in the next one, guys.